Hey everybody, Jack Music greeting you with lots of aloha. And this is a farm update video for Tuesday, December 7th, 2021. And it's 2:17 p.m. So the video from yesterday got cut short. I received a phone call and so video stopped recording. And it's good that we had this quick rainstorm. I can link a video in the description from Forbes kind of talking about it, but if you read the comments for that video, you see that it's really kind of just a common occurrence in Hawaii to have a winter storm like that. The Big Island is so big that the mountain and the island creates its own weather system. And so when other weather systems interact with it, it can create torrential rains like we just had. But it's over, and it'll come back, but it is what it is. And I thought this would be a good teachable moment for the farm update because I can see what works and what I can kind of show you what I did via like a real life cutout format. So good to see that in the heavy rains like we just had, there can be kind of a stream that goes down through here. If the two rows had been connected better, they might not have broken and let the water flow through like that. So I'll connect those next time. I had a little footpath here, so there was just enough of a channel of water that a little creek could start, and then it was able to grow and grow. But anyway, I just wanted to show you briefly what I did with planting this turmeric. And I don't know if I pointed this one out. It was probably growing in here. This row is not very old. But what you can see here is I used a weed mat to cover like this fern. This might be a Copelii fern. And then I did a modified Hügelkultur. I used a lot of wood from the macadamia rubbish from downed trees and old trees and stuff. And then I put my own blend and mix of organic fertilizer. Like we can even see this is old goat manure that I'd put down. And then mulch on top. And everything's growing really well. These are not that old, but they're showing wonderful growth. We've got some up here that'll be ready to harvest in a few weeks. So tomorrow's the last mulch day for County Hawaii for the year. I think I hit all the mulch days, but maybe 2. And so I'll go get mulch. I'll repair this. And there's more planting to do, and there's a lot more of everything to do, but everything's going really well. And it's a nice day after those intense rains from the past couple days. Oh, and I guess the other lesson too would be it's always good to go check your electric fence after a rainstorm to see if there are any down tree branch. Oh, here we go. See, I checked almost all of it, but this section. Hopefully I won't get shocked if I just use the zip tie to raise it up a little bit. There we go. Let me think if there was anything else I wanted to show on this. I don't think so. But yeah, happy good looking turmeric plants. Smells good. The comfrey here hadn't been planted too soon, but comfrey hadn't been planted that long ago, so they weren't extremely well established yet. But the comfrey will be a good good thing to put at the top and bottom of rows. It's a good border, keeps out some of the running weeds, as well as everything else it does. So thanks for tuning in. My name is Jack Music, wishing you lots of aloha and blessings.